हेलो एवरीवन। आज हम सेट्स चैप्टर की 3 एक्सरसाइज 1.1, 1.2 एंड 1.3 को डिटेल सॉल्व करेंगे। ओके, लेट्स स्टार्ट। एज यू सी एक्सरसाइज 1.1, here is the first question. Which of the following are sets? Okay, सेट्स सेट्स की डेफिनेशन हम लोग को पता है। A well defined collection of object, और बाद में हमने एक वर्ड और ऐड करा था उसमें, अ वेल डिफाइंड कलेक्शन ऑफ डिस्टिंक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट। ओके, अ वेल डिफाइंड कलेक्शन ऑफ डिस्टिंक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट। ओके, ये सबको पता ही है, तो हम स्टार्ट करते हैं। द कलेक्शन ऑफ ऑल मंथ्स ऑफ अ ईयर बिगिनिंग विथ लेटर जे, this is a set. Yes, this is a set. Yes, what they become, this is Jan, basically January, June, and July. Okay, this is a well defined set and also a collection of distinct. The collection of 10 most talented writers of India. This is not a set because for me these sets become different and for you these sets become different. Let's see, I am saying Dushyant Kumar, Dinkar, and so on, and you say R.D. Sharma is and S.C. Verma, and so on. So this there is ambiguity. So this is not a set. Similarly, a team of 11 best cricket batsmen of the world. This is also not a set because my choice is different and your choice is different. Okay, now the collection of all boys in your class. Yes, this is a set. Why? Because in your class, like 20 or 30 boys is there. So this is a well defined collection, and here in your class, so your particular school have particular class 11 and there are particular boys. Okay, so this sets is for a particular school of your class only. Okay, so this is a set. The collection of all natural numbers less than 100. Yes, this is also a set. What is the collection here? This become 1, 2, 3 till less than 100. So 99. A collection of novels written by writer Munshi Premchand. Yes, this is a well defined because they have write books, so we can collect all them in that, and the writer is specified Munshi Premchand. Okay, this is also a set. The collection of all even integers. Yes, this is also a set because this collection is all even integers. Okay, here -2, 0, 1, sorry, 1 is not there, even 2, 4, 6, and so on. This is also a set for everyone. Now, collection of questions in this chapter. Yes, this is also a set because the chapter is defined only this chapter. Okay, this chapter. So this is also a set, a collection of most dangerous animal of the world. This is not a set because for me, dog and cat is also dangerous, but for you, dog, cat is not dangerous. Like, just consider an example, not a real situation. I think dog and cat are dangerous for me, but you think dog and cat has a familiar nature, so they are not dangerous for you. So there is ambiguity here. So this is not a set, not a well-defined set. Okay, I hope you understand. Can I explain in Hindi also? The collection of all months of year beginning with the letter J. हमें उन मंथ्स को लेना है जो लेटर जे से स्टार्ट हो रहे हैं। तो क्या क्या होंगे? जैन, जनवरी, जून एंड जुलाई। तो ये हमारा एक सेट बनेगा। द कलेक्शन ऑफ 10 मोस्ट टैलेंटेड राइटर्स ऑफ इंडिया, ये सेट नहीं बनेगा क्योंकि मेरी चॉइस अलग होगी और आपकी चॉइस अलग हो सकती है। ऐसे ही अ टीम ऑफ 11 बेस्ट क्रिकेट बैट्समैन ऑफ द वर्ल्ड, ये भी एक सेट नहीं बनेगा। मेरी चॉइस डिफरेंट हो सकती है, आपकी डिफरेंट हो सकती है, आपके फ्रेंड की डिफरेंट हो सकती है। दैट्स व्हाई the collection of all boys in your class, this is a well defined set because आपकी क्लास में जो बच्चे हैं वो आप ही की क्लास के होंगे और किसी क्लास और किसी स्कूल के नहीं हो सकते। तो ये एक वेल डिफाइंड सेट होगा। द कलेक्शन ऑफ ऑल नेचुरल नंबर लेस देन 100, yes, this is also a set. Collection of novels written by writer Munshi Premchand ji. This is also a defined set because Munshi Premchand writer is specific. So this is also a well defined set. The collection of all even integer. This is also a set. This is सेम फॉर ऑल, ये सबके लिए सेम होगा, चाहे मैं लिखूं, चाहे आप लिखें, चाहे आपका फ्रेंड लिखे। ओके, the collection of questions in this chapter, this is also a well defined set because यहाँ पे चैप्टर को डिफाइन कर दिया गया है कि हमको इसी चैप्टर से लेने हैं। तो चाहे आप लिखे, चाहे मैं लिखूं, चाहे आपका दोस्त लिखे, वो सेट सेम होगा। अ कलेक्शन ऑफ मोस्ट डेंजरस एनिमल ऑफ द वर्ल्ड, ये वेल डिफाइंड नहीं है क्योंकि मेरे लिए डॉग और कैट भी डेंजरस है, बट आप बोलेंगे कि डॉग एंड कैट आर डोमेस्टिक, वो पालतू हैं, तो इसलिए आपके लिए वो डेंजरस नहीं है। तो यहाँ पे जो सेट्स हुए वो डिफरेंट हो गए फॉर डिफरेंट पर्सन। जैसे मैंने अलग सेट लिखा, आपने अलग सेट लिखा और आपका फ्रेंड कुछ अलग लिखेगा, तो दिस इज नॉट अ वेल डिफाइंड। ओके, आई थिंक you all are connected and get it. Okay, now let's go to question number 2. What is this? Let a is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6. Insert an appropriate symbol. What is this symbol? Can you comment it? This is belong, and this symbol, this is belongs, and this is doesn't belong, doesn't belong. Okay, हमको यहाँ पे सिंबल प्लेस करना है। ये क्वेश्चन मैंने लेक्चर 1 में भी सॉल्व करा था, पर आप इसको यहाँ दोबारा देख सकते हैं। ओके, 1 2 3 4 5 6। ओके, 5 is here, 5 is in A, yes, so this is a symbol. 8 is not here, 8 यहाँ पे नहीं है, तो 8 का ये सिंबल आएगा। 0 भी यहाँ पे नहीं है, तो 0 का ये सिंबल आएगा। 4 is there, तो 4 belongs to A. 2, yes, 2 is belongs to A. Now 10 is not here, so 10 doesn't belongs to A. I hope this is a very simple question. You get it. Now, third one. What is this? Write the following sets in roster form. हमको roster form में लिखना है. What is roster form? In roster form, elements of set are written and differentiate by a comma. Okay, this is a roster form. अब हमको लिखना है x is an integer and -3. Let this is a good question. X such that x is an integer and -3 less than x. Okay, here concentrate. Here equality is given. Okay, so we have to include -3. So what are they? -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here there is no equality, so we write only 6, not 7. So this is an important thing in that question, this symbol with equality. Okay, this is a required set for A, for first. Then second one, B, x such that x is natural number less than 6. So what are B? B becomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, less than 6. So 6 is not included. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now this question is a very good question. X is a two-digit natural number such that the sum of its digit is 8. Okay. हमको टू डिजिट का नेचुरल नंबर लेना है. मान लेते हैं उसके डिजिट x और y, ये टू डिजिट का है. ओके, ये टू डिजिट्स हैं, नॉट अ होल एक्स वाई ना. x इज अ डिफरेंट डिजिट एंड y इज अ डिफरेंट डिजिट, और हमको x प्लस वाई को 8 बनाना है. ओके, और हम नंबर्स किन किन, हम टू डिजिट नंबर किन किन नंबर से बना सकते हैं? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. इन्हीं डिजिट से हमारे सारे नंबर बनते हैं. ओके, नाउ सी, here I write x, here I write y. If I take here 0 and here 8, so what is 0, 8? This is a two digit number or one digit number? This is a one digit. Okay, this is basically 8 only, so we can't consider it. Now what I make, if I make 8 here and 0 here, so this become 80. This is a well defined two digit number and the sum of digit is 8. Now similarly, let's do for 1. I take 1 here and 7 here. This is also become a two digit valid number, and the vice versa, 7, 1 is also a two digit number. Okay, and here sum is also 1 plus 7, 7 plus 1, 8. Now do for 2. What we get? 6 and 6, 2. Okay, what we get? 26 and 62. For 3, let's 3 and 5, 5 and 3, 35 and 53. Now what for 4? 4, there is only become 4. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 numbers are there. 8 numbers are there. I hope you understand that how can we approach this question. Okay, how can we approach this question? for digits, because we have only this 10 digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and question demand is make two-digit number and make their sum of digits equal to 8. If we consider x as 8, y is 0, then we get. If I consider 1, what are the possibilities of, if I consider x is equal to 1, what are the possibilities for y? So we get the sum 8. So only one possibility is here. 1 plus 7 is equal to 8. So we get it. Now what is set? This sets become basically, I can write here, this sets become basically, let 17, 26, 35, 44, 53, and 62, 71, and 80. Okay, I write in increasing order: 17, 26, 35, 44, 53, 62, 71, 80. I hope you understand it. This is an important question and a conceptual question that tests your basics of digits and sum of digits. Now, fourth one. D. X such that x is a prime number which is divisor of 60. So we can write only 2, 3, 5 because it's a prime number and divisor of 60. Now, this is the important one. Trigonometry. The sets of all letters in the word trigonometry. So we write T, R, I, G, O, N. But O is already we written. So there is no now M, E, and then T is already we written, so no writing that. T, then R is also we here, so the only one, this is the required set. Now of this question, I hope you understand. Now better is also B is here, T, E, T. Now T is also written, E is also written, so there is R only. Okay, this is for, I hope you get it. Now write the following sets in set builder form. Okay, this is the fourth question. I hope you understand this. Can I rub it? Okay, no, this is the important one. What is set builder form? We have to write any rule. Okay, any rule that all element follow that rule. हमें कुछ ऐसा लिखना है जो हर एलिमेंट उस रूल या उस डेफिनेशन को फॉलो करे। तो अब हमें फोर्थ क्वेश्चन करना है, ये बढ़िया क्वेश्चन है, चलिए देखते हैं। फर्स्ट सेट इज 3, 6, 9 and 12. As you see, like 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, this is, but we, if we write like that, we have to know 6. 6 can be written as 3 plus 3. Okay, 9 is written as 3 plus 3 plus 3, and 12 is written 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. Okay, also here is 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. Okay, this is also a pattern, and this pattern is, I think, simple one. So we can write A as x such that x is equal to 3n. Okay, where n कहाँ से आएगा? n belongs to नेचुरल नंबर से, एंड हमको कहाँ तक जाना है? केवल 4 तक ही जाना है। तो n लेस देन इज इक्वल टू 4, और या फिर हम लिख सकते हैं n लेस देन 5। ओके, बट दिस वन इज करेक्ट, n इज लेस देन और इक्वल टू 4। ओके, similarly for second one is 2 4 8 16 32. Here you say this is 2, this is 2 square, this is 2 to the power 1, 8, 2 cube, 16, 2 4, 32, 2 to the power 5। तो इसको हम लोग क्या लिखेंगे? x such that x is equal to 2 to the power n, n belongs to natural, and n is less than or equal to 5. You may ask, sir, how can we get this? This is 2 power n 3, and this is comes from practice. As you visualize the set, visualize the pattern, so you can write by yourself. Now this is 525, 125 and 625. This is 5 to the power 1, this is 5 square, this is 5 cube, this is 5 to the power 4. Okay, so basically this becomes x such that x is equal to 5 to the power n, n belongs to natural, and n is less than what? Less than or equal to 4. This is 5 cube, this is 5 cube, and this is 5 to the power 4. Okay, this is 246। इसके लिए क्या लिख सकते हैं? ये सिंपल है, इसको ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं, x such that x is an even natural number. Okay, here is all numbers are positive, 2 4 6 8 and so on. So this is become even natural numbers. Now this one, fifth one, e, this is 1 4 900. Can you guess any pattern here? Here is the pattern. This is 1 square, this is 2 square, this is 3 square, and this is 10 square. So we write x such that x is equal to n square, n is natural number, and n is lying between 1 to, I write here equality also, here equality also, so 1 is also included, 10 is also included, so you can get it easily. This is a very good question because the set builder form is difficult to write, because we have to write rule by yourself. Okay, fifth one, list all the elements of the following sets. Okay, x is an odd natural number. What they become? 1 3 5 and so on. Okay, here this second one is a good one. X is an integer minus half x 9/2. Okay, let's draw a number line here. Here is 0. Here is minus 1/2 and here is 9/2. Okay, I have to take only integers. Only integer. So can you please tell me this is 2 minus 1/2 and here minus 1. But we have to take from right side of the minus 1/2. So the only integer first comes 0. Now 1. 2 is also there, 3. What is 9/2? 9/2 is basically 4.5. Okay, you can do like that. Okay, 4.5. So there is also a 4 here. So what set we get? We get 0, 1, 2, 3, and okay. Now see this one. This is also an important one. X such that x is an integer, x square is less than equal to 4. Can you say x is an integer, 0 square is less than 4? Yes. 1 square is less than 4? Yes. 2 square, here equality also here. So 0, 1, 2. But wait, x is an integer. X is an, wait 1 second. X is an integer. So x is also minus 1 here. And what is minus 1 square? Is 1. 1 is also less than 4? Yes. So here minus 1 and minus 2 also come. And we write like that, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. This is the answer. Because x is an integer. Okay, x is an integer. Now, x is a letter of the word loyal. So we write Loya. But L is also written. So we can't write it. X is a month of year not having 31 days. This becomes Feb, April, June, September, and November. You can see the calendar and write this. Okay, I have to rub this portion. Now, X such that X is a consonant in the English alphabet which precedes K. जो K से पहले आते हों. Let's A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. और हमको केवल कॉन्सोनेंट लेने हैं, तो ए वोवेल है, ए को नहीं लेंगे, बी को लेंगे, सी को लेंगे, टी को लेंगे, ई को नहीं लेंगे, एफ को लेंगे, जी को कंसीडर करेंगे, एच को कंसीडर करेंगे, आई को नहीं कंसीडर करेंगे, जे को कंसीडर करेंगे, के को नहीं कंसीडर करना है क्योंकि हमको के प्रीसीड्स लेना है. ओके, द रिक्वायर्ड सेट इज बी C, D, F, G, H, and J. Okay, this is the answer. I hope you all get it now. The last one of exercise 1.1 is sixth question. Match each of the set on the left in the roster form with the same set on the right described in the set builder form. This is very easy one. 1, 2, 3, 6. X is a prime number and a divisor of 6. Okay, here 1 and 6 are not prime, so this is not match here. X is an odd natural number less than 10. I think this one. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Fourth is match with B. First is match with X is a natural number and divisor of 6. So C. First is match with C. 2, 3. X is a prime number and a divisor of 6. This one. Okay. I hope you get it. And the remaining one is mathematics. So this is D. This is a simple question for you because you have done all these 5 questions based on that. Now let's start with exercise 1.2. Okay, 1.2. 1.2 is basically on finite, infinite, equal, and empty sets. I have discussed all these topics in lecture 1 and lecture 2, so you can see that lecture and do exercise 1.2. Let's start. Which of the following are examples of the null set? What is null set? Null set is called empty set or phi. This is a symbol for empty set. I have also uploaded a very important video on empty set. You can also see that. Okay, let's see. Set of odd natural number is divisible by 2. This is basically a phi empty set because all natural numbers are non-divisible by 2. We know that. So there is no odd natural number that is divisible by 2. So this is null set. This is null set. Set of even prime number. This is not null. This is comes only 2. Okay. X such that x is a natural number, x is less than 5 and x is greater than 7. Let's make a number line. Here is 5, here is 7. X is less than 5. Okay, this one. X 5 से less होना चाहिए and x is greater than 7. x 7 से greater होना चाहिए. तो हमारे पास कोई ऐसा नंबर नहीं है जो इन दोनों कंडीशन को सेटिस्फाई करे. सो दिस सेट इज आल्सो अ नल सेट. Y is a point common to any two parallel lines. Okay, we know that parallel lines never intersect each other. वो कभी भी एक दूसरे से नहीं मिलती. तो यहाँ पे y पॉइंट कैसे आ सकता है जब वो एक दूसरे को इंटरसेक्ट ही नहीं करती. सो बाय दिस इज also a null set y. Okay, I hope you get it. Now second one. Which of the following sets are finite or infinite? The sets of month of year. This is finite. Yes, we have 12 months in a year. 1, 2, 3 until going. So this is infinite. 1, 2, 3, 900. This is finite as we count it. The set of positive integer greater than 100. So what is this set? This is 100 greater than 100. So 101, 102, 103 until going on. So this is infinite. I hope you all understand. The set of prime number less than 99. Yes, this is finite because we know 2, 3, 5, and the last prime number, I think 97. I think 97, you can cross check it. Okay, now third one. State whether each of the following set is finite or infinite. The set of lines which are parallel to x-axis. Now this is x-axis, and the set of lines, let's say L1, L2, L3, and we can draw infinitely many. So this set is infinite. The set of letters in the English alphabet, as we know, there are only 26 letters, so this is finite. The set of multiple, sorry, the set of numbers which are multiple of 5. What? 5, 10, 15, 20, and so on. You say 50, no, 50, 55, 60, 65, 100, and so it's going on. So this set is infinite. If they say the set of first 10, the set of numbers which are the set of numbers which are first 10 multiple of 5, then it is finite, but in that case this is infinite. The set of animals living on the earth, this is finite set because there is a some number of elements that living on the earth. हम कुछ जान सकते हैं कि उन एलिमेंट को गिन सकते हैं कि वो इतने ही हैं। जैसे हमने सारे जू से कलेक्शन करवा लिया कि सब एनिमल्स का डेटा आप हमको दे दीजिए, तो हम एक फाइनाइट नंबर पे पहुंच जाएंगे। सो दिस इज अ फाइनाइट सेट। द सेट ऑफ सर्कल पासिंग थ्रू द ओरिजिन। ओके, दिस इज अ सर्कल, so this is also a circle passing through origin. This is also a circle passing through origin. This is also a circle. We can draw infinite circle that passes through origin. So this set is infinite. I hope आपको समझ में आ गया होगा. You can get difficulty on that one, but this is a finite set because we get a definite number of animal that living on the earth. Okay, now fourth one. In the following set, whether a is equal to b. What is the definition of a is equal to b? Every element of a is also in b, and every element of b is also in a. So a equal to b. Okay, here a b c d. A is here, B is also here, C is also here, D is also here. So this implies A is equal to B. 4, 8, 12, 16. 4, 8, 16 तो हैं, but here 8, here 18. So here A is not equal to B. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and b is x such that x is positive even integer and x is less than or equal to 10. Positive integer. So positive is 2, 4, 6, 8, and here is also equality. So we take 10. These are equal. Now a is x is a multiple of 10. Here 10, 20, 30, but here 15 and 25 is also, so this makes a is not equal to b. Okay, The multiple of 10 are 10, 20, 30, 40, and so on. I hope you get it. Now, fifth one. A is equal to 2, 3. X is solution of x square plus 5x is equal to 0. You can also find this solution. This comes -2 and -3. And you also check if A is let 2. Now put 2 in this equation. X is equal to 2. So what comes 4? 2 5 are 10 plus 6. This is 20. This is not equal to 0. Implies this is not a solution of this equation. Okay. So A is not equal to B. Now write the letter of follow. F we write, O we write, L we write, but there is L. L we have already written, so there is no repetition. L, O. O is already written here, so we can't write again. Now W. And similarly, what is wolf becomes W, O, L. So in this, are the following pair of set equal? This is not, this is yes. Okay. Now, from the sets given below, select equal sets. What are equal sets? 2, 4, 8, 12. No, there is no set is similar to or equal to A. B 1, 2, 3, 4. D is also 3, 1, 4, 2. So B is equal to D. Now E is equal to G, but F and H are not equal because here A, here is 1. Okay, this is exercise 1.2 is completed. This is very simple one. You have to check only the equal sets. Now see 1.3. 1.3 is basically based on subsets and interval as subsets of R. Okay, now let's try exercise 1.3. Make correct statements by filling. First one, make correct statements by filling in the symbols in the blank spaces. Okay, 2, 3, 4 is a subset of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. A, B, C is a subset of B, C, D. No. Because B, C are here, B, C are, but A is here, A is not here in this set. Okay. X is a student of class 11th of your class. X is a student of your school. I can I have also explained this on lecture 3, so you can get it from that. So this is also a subset. Now see, X is a circle in the plane. X is a circle in the same plane with radius 1 unit. Okay, let's say I have take this circle and they say second set, this is set A, X says that X is a circle in the plane. X is a circle in the plane in the same plane with radius 1 unit, and B set is so. Is A is contained in B? No, A is not contained in B. So this is no. Okay. X is a triangle in a plane and X is a rectangle in a plane. So this is our both different thing. There is rectangle, there is triangle. So they not contained in each other. So this is all. X is an equilateral triangle in a plane and X is a triangle in the same plane. Okay. Now see. Let's we take a triangle in a plane. Okay. And X is an equilateral triangle in a plane. तो इसकी पॉसिबिलिटीज हो सकती है कि ये एक इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल ही हो जाए. सो ये कंटेन करेगा. X is an equilateral triangle in a plane and X is an triangle in the same plane. ये कंटेन कर सकता है. So this is a subset. Now X is an even natural number, X is an integer. This is obvious because integer is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and so on, and X is an even natural number, so 2 4 6 8. So this is also contained in this. I know you can't understand this, but this is true. Like that, say X is an equilateral triangle in a plane. X कोई एक इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल है प्लेन में, और दूसरा चीज बोल रहा है कि X इज अ ट्रायंगल इन द सेम प्लेन. उसी प्लेन पे एक ट्रायंगल है, तो क्या वो इक्विलेटरल हो सकता है? हाँ, हो सकता है और नहीं भी हो सकता है, बट हम नहीं वाले को कंसीडर नहीं करेंगे और इसको एक पॉसिबिलिटी के रूप में मानेंगे कि ये हो सकता है. ओके. सेकेंड वन. Examine whether the following statements are true or false. AB is not a subset of BCE. This is false because AB is a subset of A. What is the definition of subset? If A is subset of B, implies X belongs to A for every X belongs to A, then X is also belongs to B. So here A belongs to this set and A is also belong to this set. B is belong to this set and B is also belong to this set. So this is a true, but this sign makes it false. A E X is a vowel in the alphabet. A E I O. So A is contained in AEIO. This is true. 1, 2, 3. No, this is false because here is 2 and here is not any 2. A is a subset of ABC. This is set A. This one is important one. What they write? A belongs to ABC. Okay. A is a subset of ABC, but A, this is considered as an element. So here is no any element in curly braces. Okay, so this comes false. And X is an even natural number less than 6, 2 and 4. X is a natural number which divide 36. What are X? 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 3 is also divide 36. 1, 3, 4, 6, 9 and 36. So 2 comma 4 is contained in 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9. I hope you understand it. This question is very important. Okay. This question is very important because this is a conceptual one. So I can take color red. Okay. Let's start. Let's see what is A. A here is 1, 2 and a 3, 4 is element and 5. Okay. Which of the following statements are incorrect and why? Let's consider one by one. First, what is first? 3 comma 4 is subset of A. Okay. 3 comma 4 is a subset of A. This is incorrect because here 3 comma 4 is an element. If I write as a subset, I can write like that. So this is the correct one for this. Second, 3 comma 4 belongs to A. This is correct because 3 comma 4 is an element of A. Now third one. This one is correct as I explain in here. Okay, let's see. There is a next question here is also on that. Write down all subsets of the following set. So I can explain how to write all subsets. But for now, let's see. Fourth one. 1 belongs to A. Yes, 1 is here. So this is correct. 1 is a subset of A. No. For a subset, we have a set, not an element. 1, 2, 5 is a subset of A. 1 is here, 2 is here, 5 is here. Yes, this one is correct. 1, 2, 5 belongs to A. No, this is incorrect because this is a set. This set is not belongs to this set. 1, 2, 3 is a subset of A. No, because 3 is different from 1. 5 is belongs to A. No, 5 is a subset of A. Yes. Element 5 is a subset of A. This is the solution for that. I know you feel some difficulties, so I can explain again. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You consider 3, 4 as like say A. So what A becomes? 1, 2, A and 5. Okay. Simple. One belongs to A. Okay. Two belongs to A. A belongs to A. Five belongs to A. Simple. Now, how to write subsets of any set? Let's discuss for this set. Okay. First, what we have to write? Subsets. First, phi is a subset of every set. So phi. Okay. Now, take single one all. जो ये सब हैं एलिमेंट्स, उनको एक एक बार लीजिए. जैसे 1 is a subset, 2 is a subset, A is a subset and 5 is a subset. अब सबको पेयर में लेते हैं. जैसे 1 2 1 A 1 5. Okay. Now 1 2 is already on. 2 A 2 5 and A1 is here, A2 is here, A5. Okay. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Now अब सबको जो तीन तीन का पेयर लेंगे. 1 2 A 1 2 5. Okay. 2 A 5 1 A 5. Okay. What do you get? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 and last A itself. 1 2 A and 5. इसको हाँ A ही मतलब ऐसे लिख सकते हैं. Okay. These all are subsets. Now the question is, A is here 3 by 4. 3 comma 4. A is here 3 comma 4. So here A belongs to A, not I have write any here A. So if there A comes like that, then this become a subset. That's why this is wrong and this is right. I hope you all understand it. आप कॉपी लीजिएगा में ए को इस तरीके से जैसे मैंने बताया है ए करके लिखने को वैसे लिखिएगा. ये सारे उसके सबसेट्स लिखिएगा. फिर जहां पे जैसा है वैसा कि इस ए को फिर हम ऐसे ही लिखेंगे करली ब्रेसेस में. ओके. नाउ सी देयर इज आल्सो अ क्वेश्चन हियर. ये 1 2 3 इज अ सबसेट ऑफ ए. कहीं पे भी हमको 1 2 3 मिल रहा है, हमको यहाँ पे ए है, बट ये सबसेट कब बनेगा? जब 1 2 और ए की जगह पे 3 4 ऐसे लिखा होगा तब. ओके. आप समझ रहे होंगे अब. नाउ दिस इज अ लिटिल बिट ट्रिकी, बट आई do my best. You can do on paper, so you can, paper means pen and copy, with pen and copy you can get it. Now, see, I have already write how to write subsets of any set. Now discuss it. Question 4. Now this is question 4. Write down all subsets of the following sets. First one is A. Phi तो भाई सबका होता है phi. And second A. Okay. This is a subset. AB में क्या होगा? Phi A सिंगल सिंगल वाले लिखेंगे और फिर दोनों वालों में A B खुद ही आ जाएगा. 1 2 3 में क्या होगा? एक phi होगा, 1 होगा, 2 होगा, 3 होगा, फिर 1 2 2 3 1 2 1 3 और तीसरा खुद ही 1 2 3. फाइव के दो सबसेट्स होंगे, एक तो फाइव खुद ही, दूसरा एलिमेंट फाइव. ये इम्पोर्टेंट है. Okay, I hope you connect it. There is also a formula for how many subsets for a set. I can define it on lecture 4, so you can also understand. Okay, तब तक के लिए आप यही समझिए कि पहले हम फाई तो सबका ही सबसेट होता है, तो फाई तो लिखेंगे ही लिखेंगे. उसके बाद जो सिंगलटन्स हैं वो लिखेंगे. या फिर ऐसा करते हैं, इस क्वेश्चन को एक बार और डिस्कस कर लेंगे. अभी आप इसको होल्ड पे रख सकते हैं, या फिर आपने जो भी अभी तक पढ़ा है उससे आप इसको कर सकते हैं. नाउ सी क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. राइट द फॉलोइंग एज इंटरवल्स. So as I discussed in lecture 3 intervals, here is not equality here, so here is open, and here is equality, here is closed. Here both side no equality, so this one. Here is equality, here is equality, so closed. And here is equality, and this side no. This is simple one. You can also write in set builder form what? First one is x such that x belongs to R, all real numbers between -3 x. For second one, x such that x belongs to R 6 x 12, because here both sides this is closed. Third one, x belongs to R such that 6 x 12. Fourth, x such that x belongs to R -23. This is a simple one. If there is open bracket, you can't use equality, and if there is closed bracket, then you have to use equality. जहाँ पे open bracket है वहाँ पे equal का sign नहीं use करेंगे, और जहाँ पे closed bracket है वहाँ पे equal का sign use करेंगे. Okay. Now seventh question is based on universal set. Okay, I say in lecture 3 universal set is a set of consideration कि हम उस क्वेश्चन के लिए यूनिवर्सल सेट क्या कंसीडर करेंगे। तो ये 7 क्वेश्चन में पूछ रहा है कि सब इन दोनों के लिए एक सेट बताना है जो यूनिवर्सल हो। तो द सेट ऑफ राइट ट्रायंगल्स और द सेट ऑफ आइसोसेलेस ट्रायंगल्स, तो हम एक सेट कंसीडर कर लेते हैं जिसका नाम है द सेट ऑफ ऑल ट्रायंगल्स। हमने सारे जो ट्रायंगल्स होंगे उनका एक सेट कंसीडर कर लिया। वो सबके लिए सेम होंगे, ये वेल डिफाइंड भी है, मेरे लिए भी वो सेट सेम होगा, आपके लिए भी सेम होगा, आपके दोस्त के लिए भी वो सेम होगा कि सारे ट्रायंगल्स का एक सेट हमने कलेक्शन एक वेल डिफाइंड बना लिया। सो दैट्स व्हाई दिस इज becomes a universal set for both these two and individually फर्स्ट के लिए भी सेकंड के लिए भी। नाउ एथ क्वेश्चन को आप कंसीडर करिए। A is equal to 135, B is equal to 246 and C is equal to 02468. Which of the following may be considered as universal set? देखिए आया ना, considered as universal sets for all three sets A, B, C. Okay, अगर हम फर्स्ट को कंसीडर करते हैं 0 1 2 3 4 5 6, तो इसमें सी में जो 8 आ रहा है वो नहीं आएगा, तो हम ए को कंसीडर नहीं करेंगे। 5 में तो भैया कुछ होता ही नहीं है, 5 इज एम्प्टी, तो वी कांट कंसीडर इट। नाउ सी 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, यस इसको कंसीडर कर सकते हैं क्योंकि इसमें 135 भी है, 246 भी है, 02468 भी है, सारे 9 10 हैं, तो हमें उससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता वो रहें या ना रहें, हमारा काम चल जाएगा। 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 इसको कंसीडर कर सकते थे, बट जीरो जीरो इसमें नहीं है, तो इसको भी कंसीडर नहीं करेंगे। तो ये हो गया ये universal set is all about the consideration of a big set so we can easily solve our problems. I hope you understand all three exercise। आपको तीनों एक्सरसाइज समझ में आई होगी, और जिन क्वेश्चंस में आपको डाउट है जैसे ये फोर्थ वाले में कि सबसेट्स कैसे लिखे जाते हैं, इसको मैं फिर से डिस्कस कर दूंगा। एंड सेकंड क्वेश्चंस में तो सब क्लियर ही था। हाँ, अगर आपको इसमें डाउट है द सेट ऑफ एनिमल्स लिविंग ऑन अर्थ, ये भी एक फाइनाइट आएगा, आपको मेरे ऊपर ट्रस्ट करना पड़ेगा कि ये ट्रू है। ओके, आई होप देयर इज नो डिफिकल्टी इन एनी क्वेश्चन, all questions are cleared, only this one, how to write down all subsets. This is also I discussed here, but these two questions are most important for a student because they give a conceptual clarity and how to process and how to approach any questions like set theory. Okay, thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.